This is the story of how Neil got out of an upside-down mortgage in Gray, Tennessee when he needed to relocate after the MLS couldn't close it. He needed to move and couldn't sell the normal way because he owed more than the house was worth. Favor Home Solutions took over the mortgage and got him out. Here's how it happened. Neil had a real reason to move. Life had pulled him toward an opportunity out of state, the kind you don't turn down, and he was ready to go. The only thing standing between him and his next chapter was a home in Gray, Tennessee, with a mortgage balance that had outpaced what the market was willing to pay for it. He was upside down, and the math didn't work for a traditional sale. He'd done what most homeowners do. He listed it. His agent put it on the MLS. They waited for offers, and when the numbers came back, the problem became impossible to ignore. Any price a buyer would pay left a gap between the sale proceeds and what he still owed the lender. A traditional closing would have required Neil to come to the table with cash he didn't have, essentially paying out of pocket just to give up his own house. Meanwhile, the relocation wasn't getting any less urgent. Every week the listing sat without a workable solution was another week his plans were frozen, and the alternatives each carried their own weight. A short sale through the lender meant months of approval, a credit hit, and no guarantee of closing. Renting it from out of state meant becoming a long-distance landlord with a mortgage he was still obligated to cover. Neither gave him what he actually needed, a clean exit that let him move forward without the Gray property following him. So when Neil reached out to Favor Home Solutions, he laid it all out: the mortgage balance, the market value, the gap in between, and the hard deadline the relocation was creating. They didn't tell him to wait for a better market or lower his expectations. Favor Home Solutions buys homes across Gray and all of Tennessee in any financial situation, including negative equity, and can structure a transaction around the mortgage itself. From there, the barrier came down. First, Favor Home Solutions assessed the real situation and structured a transaction that took over his mortgage payments, eliminating the financial gap that had made a traditional sale impossible. Then, Neil didn't have to bring cash to closing or negotiate with his lender. And finally, the transaction closed on a timeline that matched his relocation plans. Here's what Neil walked away with. The equity gap was solved, the mortgage taken over, no cash required at the table. The move became possible, no property anchor freezing his plans. And there was no Tennessee mortgage left attached to his name, a genuinely clean exit. Look at the numbers. $0 out of pocket to close, zero gap he had to cover himself. Favor Home Solutions took over the payments and closed around his relocation, covering the closing costs, and the barrier that had frozen everything lifted. No coming to the table with cash he didn't have. No months waiting on a short sale approval that might never come. No long-distance landlording with the loan still on his name. No more weeks of frozen plans. The mortgage that had been the obstacle was handled directly. The result? Neil handed over the keys to a property that had been anchoring him in place and stepped into the next chapter of his life without a Tennessee mortgage still attached to his name. He wouldn't have been able to relocate without that step. Maybe Neil's situation sounds familiar. We help Tennessee homeowners in all kinds of circumstances. Upside down on the mortgage, a relocation deadline, a home the MLS can't move, negative equity blocking a sale, any situation, or simply needing a clean exit. We can structure a deal around the mortgage when that's what it takes. If you need to relocate but you're upside down on your mortgage in Gray or anywhere across Tennessee, Favor Home Solutions can help. Any financial situation, no repairs, no commissions, nothing out of pocket, a path that fits the actual problem. Reach out today for your free, no-obligation cash offer.